Hi everyone. So today is our last discussion for our virtual microbe. Our topic is the Zika virus. So I'll start introducing ourselves first before we do an introduction and detailed discussion. So my name is Asia Hisham. I'm from UPM. My metric number is 186446.
Hi everyone, my name is Tam Mei Ling. I'm from UPM as well. My metric number is 17734.
My name is Yap Lim. I'm from UPM. My metric number is 179913.
Hi, my name is Norisha. I am from UKM. My metric number is
Hi,
1541.
my name is Joselia Vincent.
Hi, my name is Nur Atika Bilidao. My metric number is
Hello.
A155037.
Hi, my name is Anis Nabila. I'm from UKM. My matrix number is
Oh my God, the
1548.
connection is so.
Hi, my name is Hanina Isatikir Mokta from UKM, and my metric number is A155367.
Okay, great. Everybody introduce themselves except for Zafira because we have some technical issues. She'll be joining us shortly. So now we've ended our Zika research and we have done our review article. And each of us had different parts to do, as well different difficulties to obtain our information. And my own opinion is that for our Zika virus, it was a quite interesting topic that we got. And I'm very thankful because it's actually something that's happening right now. So now it's quite an issue. But the problem with Zika virus was that it's quite recent for us, as in the medical field, the research field. So there was not enough information to base on into our research, specifically the diagnostic, because we are just trying to base it on symptoms. So that was quite the difficulty about finding information for diagnosis of the Zika virus. What about others?
For me, my part is talk about the immune response, and like what Asil said, the virus is new and the research is quite new and not much. So for my part, immune response, what I search is more about fluffy virus, which is same type with the dengue virus. So the researcher can only assume that the Zika virus have the same immune response as the dengue virus. So this is the part that this is the difficulty that I'm facing, that we can only assume that the Zika virus has the same mechanism as dengue virus, but not definitely it's the mechanism of the Zika virus. How about others?
For me, basically, I'm doing about the symptoms, and I didn't find difficulties in finding the information since it's quite a lot, the information. But then one of the problems that I'm facing is that when we are searching for the journal, sometimes we only can see the abstract, where the other part of the journal we can't access since they need money, or they say we need an account in order for us to access. So I find it might be a little bit difficult for us to understand about the whole picture of the journal since you only can see the abstract part. So sometimes I don't think this journal is suitable for using since we don't understand what is the whole objective about. So this is a problem I face.
That's true. I think everybody faced that issues. A lot of things require us to actually pay before getting that information.
Yes.
What about someone else? What other issues, or maybe something you liked about our Zika virus?
Yeah, for me, because I'm in charge for the symptom of the drugs. Since the drugs and the mechanism, they are still, as we all know, this virus is still new, and also the mechanism and the drugs developed, they are still not finalized yet. They are still not commercialized yet. So most of the journal that I found, they are talking about the same drugs. So if I'm not mistaken, only 3 drugs. So it's quite hard to find reference to be included in this research.
Thanks, Anis. Others?
Yeah, about sorry.
Go.
Okay. About this, yeah, been discussing all over the years, but the effect on human is still ambiguous. Even though there is a research that actually dismiss the drug in humans. So I thought maybe the future research might be able to drug that can use effectively on human. I think
Hanin, can you repeat because we couldn't hear you properly? So maybe if you can bring the mic closer. And if anybody has a noise at their place, if you can mute the mic until she's done speaking.
regarding the drug, if I discussed about the development of the drug. So yeah, it has been discussing all over the years, but the effect on human is still ambiguous because the experiment is only did on animals such as mice. So the effect on human is not determined really. So I thought maybe the future research may be able to perform this drug that can be effective on human. So yes.
Okay. Anybody else want to add in?
Okay, for me, my part is how Zika virus is transmitted into the host or the host cells. So for me, when I search for the information, is I lack of the information, but because Zika virus is very new virus in global, so that sometimes I need to search many of articles that I need to read and paraphrase. So beside that, for me, because the Zika virus is very new, so it gives me information, a new information for me and to others. So that's like advantage for us to spread the Zika virus on how it is or what about it.
Okay, sorry.
Okay. Just to inform you that guys, our meeting will end in within 10 minutes because well, they're asking me to upgrade my account. So okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So next,
Who
who wants to
else?
talk?
Okay, let me.
Okay.
Yeah. For my part, since I work on vaccines on Zika virus, so as others, I also face the same challenges such as misinformation. And since Zika virus is a new virus, so the vaccine is also still in development. So the research is still study. So yeah, it's hard.
Yeah, true. Because even though, like, even only recently, we found maybe a possibility of a dengue vaccine. So imagine Zika virus, which is a new disease right now. Well, not really new, but it's like new outbreak. It's gonna take us a few years. So hopefully.
Yeah, true.
Yes.
Okay. Anyone want to add in?
Okay, for me, I'm not having so much difficulties since my part is looking for biology of pathogen, which is a Zika virus, and all the information and the facts that I get from the different sources is the same. It's just the authors, they interpret the facts in a different sentence. I think that's for me.
Okay. All right, anyone else wants to add in?
How about Anis?
Anis already spoke about her part
Yeah.
and the issues she had similar issues as well.
I think left only Zafira,
Yeah.
not yet.
Oh yeah,
Zafira.
Zafira, can you add in?
Yeah.
We still cannot hear you.
I think since Zafira's mic is not working, why don't she type and then we'll help her to express her opinion.
Oh yeah, can you type it into the group text so that we can just
Someone can share it, right?
yeah. Here she is. Okay. Who's singing?
So cute.
That's adorable. Okay, this is what happens when we have like quite late kind of meeting discussions.
Yeah.
Overall, I think our topic for the Zika virus is quite interesting because it is an issue, a current issue, as well as it's not like as said before, it's not like a new disease. It was, there was an outbreak ages ago, but it was not as bad as it is today. It's just like you have it in several countries, then a discovery of different strains of Zika virus. So that's quite interesting about it. It's like a bad disease, but still, it's quite interesting.
And then I think although I find difficulties in finding information since it's a considered us to understand this virus. That means we can help to know more about this virus, for example, the symptoms or the transmission. I think it's good for our understanding and also our knowledge as well.
Agree.
Oh, yeah. Agreed. Hopefully that maybe we can expand our horizon more about that. If we can figure out more, maybe more journals, maybe more experts who actually, healthcare workers who were part of the teams of to fight against the Zika virus and all those symptoms as well. And maybe one of our main issues is I think it's mosquitoes. I think if we can fix our mosquito problem, then maybe we would have less diseases. That's an opinion, really. Okay, so for Zafira's points or part to the discussion, that she did the introduction. So she had to read a few articles and journals to get an overall idea. And most of them have articulated the same thing, which is an issue with everybody. It's repeated things and points in different journals, articles, everything as well. So she had to read a few and to then summarize everything that into the introduction as well. So for her, it's not quite difficult to do introduction. It's just that there was a lot of repetitiveness into information about the Zika virus. That's all from her. Anyone else wants to add anything before we end our discussion?
Asia will upload the video to the YouTube and then post it in the open learning.
Okay, I will try, but if I did not figure it out, I'll just email it to you and you get it done.
Oh, you mean you will try to upload to YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay. And then about the article, about the conclusion part, Asia, you will do it tomorrow and then post in WhatsApp group and let us check, right?
Oh yeah, no, actually I wanted to do it today, but I forgot. I want to send it, but then when we had this meeting, I was like, let's start the meeting and I'll just send it to you on WhatsApp. So it'll be sent in like less than 30 seconds after we finish our meeting.
Okay. And then about the article, I have highlighted something that, and I came to the person in charge, and after you guys edit in the Word file, then I will send it to the Turnitin the apps. Then I will upload with the Turnitin report with the review article in the open learning.
Okay.
But make sure you guys means I already correct the highlighted part by tomorrow, maybe.
Great. Okay, everybody.
And you guys also can look through the article if some things that need to correct it, then can remind each other.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Right, I think
Okay.
that's all for me. Others got any things want to talk?
Anyone else wants to add?
As a gentle reminder, we have to finish our individual reflection, right? So we can either record or we can type it in what is the application that
Blog.
suggested? Blog.
You can just like put a link for that blog thing onto the WhatsApp group, so it'll be like easier, I think, or convenient for everybody else to add on.
Each of you have the blogspot, have your own blogspot.
No.
And
Okay, on the tablet.
tablet. Because Dr. Wan said need link reflection and then compound in the blank space, right? The blank space is create, but the link I need to add. It means that you guys have to do in the blogspot and only have the link in the blank space.
Can't we just do it on a Padlet and share it together?
I think Padlet also can. Or
Can
Evernote.
I think blank space is a place for us to compile all the articles, but then as long as you have the link, the application that you are using, no matter is Blogspot or Platinum, I think it also can.
Okay, then. Okay, how about if does everybody want to do their reflection on Padlet?
Yes.
Okay, then I'll just open up a Padlet link, and then we can just each put us a reflection, and then we'll just post it tomorrow on. I forgot the name of it. Yes.
Okay.
All right. Okay. So this is how we'll conclude our last discussion meeting. I would also like to wrap up that I'm very happy to be working with everybody in this project. It was quite interesting and fun and very cooperative, and we didn't have any issues and like nobody's doing their thing. No, actually everybody did their part. So I'm very proud of this team. So hope to meet you guys